looks like a good place for a break. Sitting on that rock, and this will be my view. I just noticed that where I decided to take a snack break is where I'm also seeing the first pines on the trail. Going up, and the trail I just came up. Definitely not a place you want to be without a walking stick or take a tumble. But golly Moses, it's beautiful. I am in absolute heaven and so grateful. Fancy Free and Sue Ann are way down there. Hi guys. Okay, KOKO, gotta go. I think that's rangers going up to the top to check on something. It looked like when I saw them down below first time they were in uniform. Told that if I make it to the other side of this mountain by a hiker that was coming down, that it turns into pine tree forest and shade. So I'm sure gonna try. At my pace, there's no way I'm going to make the peak, but look how gorgeous this is. It doesn't much matter to me. The fact that I'm out here doing this just reiterates every day above ground, not drooling, is a wonderful, wonderful day. There's where it just came from. And here's where I don't want to go. Check this out. Look how narrow this trail is. Look at that. And it just boop, drops off all the way down. I finally made it where I can see the other side of the mountain. Finally made it to the other side of the hill or mountain, the first one. Some campers going down. Tells me that once you can't see the campgrounds anymore, you're more than halfway to the peak. But I am not going to make it to the summit, clearly, because of dark, if nothing else. But look how drastically different the landscape is, and how much different the trail looks. Amazing. My turning around point, and where I have stopped for my last, well, second and last snack break. I don't know how far I made it, but I'll figure that out when I get back to camp. I am just so thrilled and so blessed to be out here.